Layn Credit University. My name is Conrad Layn. I'm going to share a credit secret that a lot of people forget or might not be aware of. But when you're shopping for a home loan, always know that per the Experian article I'm going to share with you, and I left in the description below, it specifically stipulates that you can actually inquire multiple home loans at the same time within a short period of time, within 14 to 45 days, and it counts as one inquiry. So if you go through multiple home loans, you can actually shop around and you don't have to feel stuck out with just one. Really beneficial. And per this Experian article that I left below, specifically states that the new scoring models for FICO and Vantage score actually completely ignore the multiple inquiries when you're shopping for a home, meaning that it doesn't even count against you within a short period of time. But don't listen to me. I'm not giving you any advice or recommendations. The article's below. Do your own due diligence. So I'm going to share the screen. Follow me through. I'm going to share proof per Experian article. The Experian specifically states that Vantage 3.0 credit modeling system and also FICO completely ignore multiple inquiries for home loans within a short period of time. And per Experian, between 14 and 45 days, they actually allow you to get as many loans as you possibly want without it affecting your credit scores as significantly, because they count it as one inquiry. Here's the proof. How do hard inquiries affect shopping for loans? When you're shopping around for the best rates on mortgage, auto loan, or other large loan, you may apply with several lenders, which will cause a separate hard inquiry for each one to appear on your credit report. But that does not mean your credit score will plummet, as most credit scoring models weigh multiple inquiries for mortgage or auto loans as one inquiry if they are made within a certain time period, in parentheses 14 to 45 days, depending on the scoring model. In fact, the newest scoring model from FICO and Vantage Score completely ignore multiple inquiries for mortgage and auto loans within a short period of time, so you can shop for that dream car or home without worrying about your credit scores. Voila. Welcome to Layn Credit University. I want to share as many secrets that a lot of people are not aware of. So when you're shopping for a home, understand this and use this, and don't be scared. Build your wealth and build your credit at the same time. Love you guys. Like, subscribe, share. Follow me on Instagram, Conrad Layn. Subscribe to this channel, like this channel, share this channel, and become a member. Currently now.